Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you animate buttons on Figma. First, what we're gonna do is about to start to throw situation. So animate or create button states, default hover preset. So and make it add variants. And also prototype mode can connect status while hovering on that and clicking on it. And this is really throw something. And what we're gonna do actually is about to click here on plugins and then start to type animated buttons or button animation. So maybe animation. In this will about animate your buttons, and maybe you can start scroll until you find one of it, because it's really for buttons not going to be good and rare, and that is all about.